In this session, we will learn about 3D printer and then about TinkerCad, and then we will learn how to create a model in TinkerCad. And the last but not the least, we will learn how to share our model file with others. So what is 3D printer? Firstly, we will discuss what is 3D printer. 3D printer is a machine which you can see in these given pictures. This is a machine that is called 3D printer. 3D printer allows users to print an object as three-dimensional CAD images. That means computer-aided designs. It means this machine will help to take printouts our 3D models. So before this, we need to design 3D images, and it will be possible through a software that is Autodesk TinkerCad. So TinkerCad is a free of charge online 3D modeling program that runs in a web browser. It means हमें अपने मॉडल को क्रिएट करने के लिए TinkerCad का यूज करना पड़ेगा, एंड ये सॉफ्टवेयर आपका वेब ब्राउजर बेस्ड सॉफ्टवेयर है. इसको आपको डाउनलोड एंड इंस्टॉल करने की नीड नहीं होगी फॉर डिजाइनिंग. You can easily access through a web browser, and for this you can use any web browser which is available on your desktops, laptop, or a smartphone. You can use Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, which you want to use, and it is a very easy to use. So what are the steps to open it? You have to open any web browser and then just click Google Chrome here. If I want to use web browser which is available in our system, so this is Google Chrome, and then you have to type here tinkercad.com. tinkercad.com and just enter it. To go back again, and once again you have to write here tinkercad.com. After that, you can see the TinkerCad window. This is the TinkerCad window. And then you have to sign in first with your Google accounts. So first of all, you have to click here. This is the sign in option, students. So firstly, just click on this option. And after that, just click on sign in with Google, because you have to sign in with your Google account. So just click here, and then you can see the dashboard of TinkerCad is here. It is loading now, and this is the dashboard of TinkerCad. You can see here, this is the Autodesk TinkerCad dashboard. Or we can say that this is the home page of our TinkerCad. Right, as you can see here, after sign in with my Google account, this is my account on TinkerCad Autodesk by my name, Shivani Tyagi. Right, As you can see here on the left side, these are the options. First option is 3D design. And by the help of this 3D design, we can make or we can design 3D models. And the next option is circuits. You have to click on that and check out the result. Now you can see you can easily create circuits also in this TinkerCad application. And after that, you can see the next option, that is code blocks. And now, by the help of these code blocks, you can create any application, any design through codes. And the last option is lessons. If you want to take some lessons from here, then you can take easily by the help of these links, right? But today we will create a fresh 3D design. Today I want to create a fresh 3D design. So for that, if I want to create a fresh project, or if I want to create a new model, then I have to click on this 3D designs option. And now we have one more option, that is create a design. Here it is, right? Once you click on this button, a new project is going to open up. As you can see here, it is loading now. Yes. What you see in front of you, students? Right now, it is a TinkerCad interface. We'll now go through every individual part of this interface separately, and we will explain the functionality of each of these parts to you, which are available here. The most important part of this interface is blue work plane. आप देख सकते हैं आपके सामने एक ब्लू कलर का वर्क प्लेन है, which fix in the middle, or we can say that which sit in the middle. Now we can think of this work plane. If you are designing 2D models or graphics, then you will be working in 2D canvas on Photoshop, just like Photoshop canvas, because वहां पर हम क्या करते हैं, 2D image create करते हैं, 2-dimensional image create करते हैं. That's why we are using 2-dimensional canvas. Similarly, you can see on this work plane, to design 3D model, we work on the work plane, that kind of work plane, right? Now, in this work plane, you can change the perspective to that. Firstly, right click on work plane, and while button is clicked, drag the mouse. Students, आपको क्या करना है? Firstly, आपको right click करना है, और जब तक आप उस right click को hold करके रखेंगे और अपने mouse को drag करेंगे like this, then you can see that your perspective of your work plane changes, right? You can see आप इसको लेफ्ट साइड से चेकआउट कर सकते हैं, राइट साइड से चेकआउट कर सकते हैं, टॉप से चेकआउट कर सकते हैं, इवन यू कैन चेक फ्रॉम दी बॉटम ऑल्सो. So you can check from different perspective. This is called work plane. By scrolling your mouse or just click on this plus button, you can see here, this is the plus button. You can zoom it your work plane like this. If I'm clicking on this plus symbol, then you can see the work plane is going to zoom in. And by scrolling down your mouse or just clicking on this minus symbol, you can easily zoom out your work plane like this. If I'm clicking on this minus symbol, then you can see the result. It is going to zoom out, right? So this is the way we can check our model with different perspective. Now, the most important interface, and we can say that the most important part of TinkerCad interface is the panel of basic shapes. आप बहुत ध्यान से मेरा माउस पॉइंटर चेक कर सकते हैं. The most important part of TinkerCad interface is the panel of basic shapes that is on your right side. For example, box, cylinder, and these are the hollow shapes. If you want to take some solid shapes, then you can use this box and this cylinder, and you can check more images are available here, more shapes are available here. If you will scroll down, right, like this, you can see here it is sphere, scribble, roof, cone, round roof, wedge, pyramid. So these all are the basic shapes. Not only basic shapes are here, you can use this drop down list and just click on this arrow. You will get some more options like text and numbers, characters, connectors, OMSI hangout space, making at home. So these are the various options which are available here. So just click on text and numbers, and now you can check, and now you can see these are some alphabets. You can use these alphabets for making your models. And even you can see at the end, at the second page of this text and number category, some numerical values and numerical designs are here. So we can easily access this. And even some characters are also here. Right? So by the help of these shapes, we can easily prepare our 3D models. Now, TinkerCad has two main menus. Students, you can see here, this is the left portion and this one is the right portion. So we have two main menus. There is one menu which is present on the right side of the interface, and this menu contains the basic operations that we need to perform in order to build models. Like first one is toggle nodes visibility. अगर हम यहाँ पर कोई भी nodes provide करते हैं, I'll explain you later, then we can easily create the visibility of these nodes, and we can disable the visibility of these nodes by the help of this option. And the next one is show all. If I want to hide my selected part and selected model, then I can use this option. And if I want to unhide it, then I can just click once again on this option. I'll show you with example. And then the next option is group option. We can easily group our models, our 3D models, by the help of this group option. And if I want to ungroup my 3D models, then I can use this particular option. And if I want to align my 3D models, then I can use this, and we can easily flipping our 3D models by the help of this mirror option. And now you can see on the left side, we also have a menu on left side, and the menu is having more conventional buttons for copy any model, for creating, if I want to paste anything, then I can use this option. For duplicating anything, for deleting my model, then I can use this. These are the conventional topics जो हम normally भी use करते हैं किसी application में. So that's why I'm saying these are the conventional buttons. And this one is undo. If I want to undo my task and if I want to redo my task. So these all are the menus which we have discussed. And by the help of these tools, we can create one interesting image and one interesting model. Now I'll show you the photo of this image. So now you can see, this is the image of wrench. Today I want to create this model. So what should I do? जब भी कभी हम किसी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इमेज को, किसी भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मॉडल को डिजाइन करने जाएंगे 3D प्रिंटर के लिए, तो उस केस में हमें क्या करना है? उस केस में हमें अपने पर्टिकुलर मॉडल को स्टूडेंट्स डिवाइड कर देना है सब ग्रुप्स में. लाइक अगर मैं मॉडल की बात करूं, देन आई कैन डिवाइड इट इनटू 3 कैटेगरीज. आई विल शो यू लाइक दिस. First one is jaw, and the second one is handle, and the third category is also a jaw. We will make one by one, and after that we will collaborate it. We will collapse it, right? So that means first of all we need to design a jaw, and after that we need to design a handle, and after that we need to design again a jaw, and at the last we will collaborate it. We will combine it, right? So we'll move on to the once again on our TinkerCad interface. Yes, here it is. So first of all, we need to ready a jaw portion. So for that, we can access basic shapes. So firstly, click on that. And after that, you can see a cylindrical shape. So just click on it. And after that, drag your mouse onto the work plane area. Now you can see this is available here. Now you can see some options are here. So these are very useful for us. As you can see here, 4 small rectangles are here, and even one more rectangle. It will be help to adjust our dimensions like length, breadth, and height. This rectangle is helpful for adjusting our height, and these are helpful for adjusting our length and breadth. Now you can see, if I'm just clicking on it and drag my mouse, then you can see it will raise, right? So I'll adjust at same length and same breadth, that is 21 and 21. But I want to decrease the height of this cylindrical shape because I want to create a round disc. So just click on that particular rectangle and just down it by the help of dragging your mouse. So I just want to set it 4 here. Now you can see this is the complete disc which I want to create my jaw, right? And you can see the double-sided arrow will help you to rotate your image. And now you can see here, these are the options. By the help of these options, you can also adjust your dimensions. And the another option is whole. If you want to create a whole portion, then just click on it and now you can see it will blank now. If you want to create a solid shape, then just click on solid. And even we have different color in our palette. If I want to change the color of my model, then I can use this palette. And by the help of this palette, I can easily change the color of my given model. So I just want to use here red color, so I can use it, right? You can see here, as I have told you earlier, by the help of this, you can hide your object which is selected, right? If you want to unhide it, so just once again click on that bulb like structure. Now you can see, आप देख सकते हैं ये वापस से आपके वर्क प्लेन पर अवेलेबल है, right? If I want to add some notes, so just click on here, and now you can see just click once again. Yes, here this is the option. By the help of this option, you can easily add notes which is related to our model. Like if I want to write here, this is a disk, or we can write here, this is a jaw, right? So this is the notes. These are the notes which we can easily create by the help of this notes option or notes tool. So just click on this toggle notes visibility. If you will click on that button, then you can see the visibility is off. If you want to show again, then you can click once again to open your visibility like this. This is a jaw. If you minimize it, if you want to minimize it, then just click on this minus symbol like this, right? Now move on to the next step. The next step is what? We want to create that kind of image right now. So for that, we need some polygonal image. By the help of polygonal image, I can easily draw that kind of structure. So once again, I'll go back on my TinkerCad interface or TinkerCad window, and then I'll search a polygonal image, which is here, right? So just take it by the help of just click on that and just drag your mouse on the work plane area. Now you can see this is the polygonal image. And now you can just put at the center, and after that you can align these objects. आपको क्या करना है? आपको इन दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट्स को अलाइन करना है स्टूडेंट्स, और उसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे? बहुत ध्यान से सुनिएगा. Firstly, you have to select your first object. Like if I want to select this red disk, and after that just hold your shift key from your keyboard, and then you can click on another object, which object you want to align with this. So just click on that, and now you can see the highlighted portion is there. That means both are selected, and then you can just align these objects by the help of this align tool. So just click on that, and now you can see some dots are here which help you to align easily. Like if I want to align center, because मुझे वो डिजाइन यहाँ सेंटर में क्रिएट करना है, that's why I'm using this. मैं इसको सेंटर में अलाइन करूंगी. आप देख सकते हैं अगर मैं यहाँ पर क्लिक करती हूँ तो ये चेंज करेगा डायरेक्शंस, राइट? ये देखिए चेंज कर रहा है यहाँ पर. तो आप देख सकते हैं अगर आप इसको यहाँ पर अलाइन करना चाहते हैं, नो, मैं उसको सेंटर में कंप्लीटली अलाइन नहीं करना चाहती. आई वांट टू अलाइन हियर, सो आई विल डू undo. Yeah, you can see here आपने इसको सेंटरली अलाइन कर दिया है एंड देन जस्ट पुट इट हियर, put it here like this, right? After that, once again you have to select both the objects and the process is same. You have to select first object and just hold your shift button from your keyboard, shift key from your keyboard, and then just click on another object, and after that you can click on group, because right now I'm grouping both these objects together. So just click on that and now you can see the result. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर दोनों ग्रुप हो चुके हैं, बट आप इसको हाइड करना चाहते हैं. So for that you have to click on whole. So firstly I will undo my objects and then you can click this particular object and just click on whole. Yes, because आपको वहां पर उसको ट्रांसपेरेंट करना है, सॉलिड शेप क्रिएट नहीं करनी है. So once again select togetherly with same steps and then just group it. Now you can see this is my jaw. As you can see here, yes, here it is, right? So this is the way you can easily create the same step like this. Now you can just put it aside just put it aside, and now you can create this portion, this handle portion. So for that you have to go back again on your interface and just take it one box and put it here, and now you can set the dimensions. Like if I want to increase the length of this box, and after that I can adjust the height. Like if I want to set it 4, because यहाँ पर जो मेरी height थी, जो की height है मेरी 3, so I will put it at 3. Yeah, like this. And same width हम इसकी रखेंगे, जो width हमारी है that is 20. So we'll set the width 20. 20 is more enough or 20 is more, so we can adjust at 15 like this, and we can also decrease more like this, right? I think it's nice, so I'll put it once again here, and now group both these objects. So for that I'll put it here. तो यहाँ पर मुझे इसको ज्वाइन करने के लिए आप देख सकते हैं बहुत ध्यान से, I'll zoom this portion and I'll show you. मैंने यहाँ पर इसको बहुत ही ट्रांसपेरेंटली एडजस्ट किया है, right? So for that I'll use group, right? So first of all I will click on first object, and after that I can hold shift key from keyboard and then just click on another object, and after that you can click on group. Now you can see, आप देख सकते हैं ये कनेक्ट हो चुका है, ज्वाइंट हो चुका है, अभी ये कंप्लीट वन ऑब्जेक्ट बन चुका है. Now move on to the third step, and the third step is what? Once again we need to create one more jaw, right? So for that I can do same task once again, or I can create a copy. But अभी मैंने इसको ज्वाइन कर दिया है तो ये कंप्लीट मॉडल की कॉपी करेगा. तो बेटर है कि मैं उसको दोबारा से रीडिजाइन कर लेती हूँ, राइट? सो फॉर दैट आई कैन टेक वंस अगेन सिलेंडर shape and just adjust the height and width. This is 3. If I want to add this 3, yeah, and this one is 20, around 2021, right? Like this, we can easily adjust it, or we can write here directly 21 and here also 21, like this, right? So this is the way you can easily adjust it. Now we'll take here again a cylindrical shape, or we can say that we can take a polygon and put it here, and after that just align your shapes. So firstly you have to click on first part, shift your hold your shift key from your keyboard and just click on another object, and after that you can align it and just click on center model. Yes, now it's fine. Put it here and click on hollow, and now you can drag it. बट एक कंडीशन आप चेक कर सकते हैं, आपका इस साइड इमेज है, इस साइड ये वाला डिजाइन है पॉलीगन डिजाइन, तो आप क्या करेंगे, आप इस होलो सिलेंड्रिकल शेप को अदर साइड पुट करेंगे लाइक दिस, एंड नाउ जस्ट group both these objects by the same process. Yes, this is the way, right? Now you can change the color. Okay, just do undo and do once again. I'm deleting this and just do once again. Take this cylindrical shape once again and set it here. Set the size. Adjust the length and breadth. And now you can take a box. Sorry, no need to take this. So just delete it by the help of delete option and just take polygonal image. Yeah, and now set it. Yes. First of all, you have to click on hole and just put it here. And now you can click on group option like this. Yes, here it is. Now you can change the color by the help of this palette, and now you can put it here and just put it here like this, and now you can set this one here. Even you can rotate the direction also if you want to just rotate little bit. undo this because I don't want to this in particular shape. Yeah, right now it is okay. So after that, we will group this third object with this particular object. So steps are same for grouping. So firstly, you have to click on this part. After that, just hold your shift key from your keyboard and just click on another object and then just click on group. And now you can see this is your wrench which you want to design in TinkerCad. So this is your final wrench image, right? इसी तरीके से आप TinkerCad की हेल्प से अपने डिजाइन्स को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं और डिजाइन्स को क्रिएट करने के बाद स्टूडेंट्स इजीली उसको शेयर कर सकते हैं with other students. So now move on to the next topic, and the next topic is what? How to change the name of your file. So just click here and type here wrench image, right? So you can change the name also, and if you will click on this recent design option, so you can check your design in current block also. If you want to change something, then just click on setting button and you can see here the name is here available, and the visibility. If you want to set this visibility on private block, then use this, and if you want to set the visibility on public block, then you can use this, right? This is the license, and then save the changes. So this is the way you can change the settings of your current project, and after that you can just close this window by the help of this close cross symbol. So just click on it, and now move on to the next one, and this one is send to option. Even you can import your any image or any 3D file by the help of this import, and if you want to export, then you can download and export this models. Now export your models by the help of this export button. Now I want to share my file with other. For that, just click on send to option, and then you can see here, just drop down your page, scroll down your page and just click on invite people. When you click on this, then you can get one button, and which is generate new link. So just click on that, and after that you got one more option, that is copy link. Just click on it, and now you can see आपकी फाइल का लिंक कॉपी हो चुका है, and after that you can close this, and now you can share with others. Like if I'll show you and I'll paste here, now you can directly jump on my file which I have made now, right? So just enter it, and now you can see directly the file which I have created now. So by the help of this process, you can easily share your images with other. Like अगर आपने कोई भी डिजाइन अपने घर पर डिजाइन किया है बैठ करके, और आप स्कूल में जाकर 3D प्रिंटर की हेल्प से उसको प्रिंट करना चाहते हैं, तो आप इजीली इस लिंक को कॉपी करके ले जा सकते हैं और अपने स्कूल के कंप्यूटर में एक्सेस कर सकते हैं by the help of these process. So that's all for today. I hope it is clear to all.